Rahul Gandhi is taken to social media to speak out on the Badlapur toddler rape case, demanding justice for the Badlapur toddlers, for the 3-year-old and 4-year-old girls who were sexually assaulted, who were raped by the school sweeper in Maharashtra's Badlapur. Rahul Gandhi has condemned this crime and said that it's shameful that the crimes that are happening both in Bengal and Maharashtra are continuing to happen against children and women. Rahul Gandhi, in a long post on social media, has questioned why the police didn't act in Badlapur and has raised a larger question about why criminals are being shielded in this manner. So he's not just referring to what's happened in Badlapur, but also to Kolkata. Rahul has also urged state governments to work together and protect women. So a message there from Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, where he's in fact condemned what's happened in Badlapur, but also put the orders on states, both in Bengal and Maharashtra, to ensure speedy justice for the victims. Let's get you now the latest updates in the Badlapur rape case. It was just yesterday that we saw massive protests. As you see here, hundreds of protesters who gathered at the Badlapur railway station demanding justice for the 2 young toddlers, the young girls who were raped in their school by the sweeper. Now, remember, there were multiple lapses that came to the fore of how the police really treated this case, of how the school also ignored the parents' complaints. And that's why protests continue even now. The Maha Vikas Aghadi has called for a day-long Maharashtra Bandh on 24th August to protest this particular incident, saying that all of them will come together this day-long Bandh for justice. This even as Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has actually hinted at conspiracy, saying that the protest that happened at the Badlapur railway station was manufactured by the opposition.
Outrage and shock over the rape of 2 kindergarten girls, aged 3 and 4, by school staff in Badlapur near Thane. After angry citizens blocked trains on Tuesday demanding justice, the police have launched a crackdown on protesters who disrupted rail traffic. The police have filed FIRs on vandalism, naming over 300 people. Over 40 have been arrested. Some arrested protesters were produced before magistrate and they were sent to 14 days judicial custody. A day after citizen protest shook Maharashtra, opposition leaders hit the streets on Wednesday. NCP Sharad Pawar MP Supriya Sule led the protest in Pune, demanding resignation of CM Eknath Shinde, Deputy CMs Ajit Pawar and Fadnavis over the delay in filing FIR and arresting the accused.
It's clear that the Maharashtra government, which is so busy with ICE, which is income tax, CBI, ED, going after the opposition, it has very little time for core issues, and which is the most important issue, which is crime against women.
In Badlapur, the Congress and the Shiv Sena UBT staged protest and blocked roads.
थाना में जहां मुख्यमंत्री खुद वहां पर हैं, वहां पिछले 6 महीने में 57% ज्यादा जो है क्राइम वहां पे बढ़ चुका है। सुरक्षा कहीं रह ही नहीं गई है। महिलाओं का अत्याचार इतना ज्यादा होते जा रहा है। आज पूरा महाराष्ट्र किस तरीके से जल रहा है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, और हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार जो है ना महिलाओं की सुरक्षा करे।
दुखद बात है कि मुख्यमंत्री महोदय अगर इस तरह से बात करते हैं कि यह आंदोलन पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड था, उल्टा मुख्यमंत्री महोदय ये जान ले कि लोगों में इतना गुस्सा क्यों भर पड़ा था। एक तो आपने पुलिस स्टेशन की कंप्लेंट ठीक से नहीं ली, आपने पोक्सो दाखिल नहीं किया, आपने स्कूल का सीसीटीवी फुटेज गायब किया। कल जाकर आपने कुछ कार्रवाई की, लेकिन उस कार्रवाई के बदले कितने ही पेरेंट्स पर गुनाह दाखिल हुए।
Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut has questioned the crackdown on protesters.
उस लड़की को प्रोटेक्शन देने के बजाय न्याय मांगने के लिए जो लोग सड़क पर उतरे हैं, आप उनके खिलाफ आपराधिक मामले दायर करते हो? किसका दबाव था पुलिस के ऊपर? ये बता सकते हैं गिरीश महाजन? ये बता सकते हैं देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी? ये बता सकते हैं राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री?
किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
The Mahayuti government has assured justice for the victims and their families. The case will be tried in a fast-track court. An SIT has been formed to investigate the case.
कोई भी हो उसको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
जे कठोरातले कठोर सेक्शन लावण्याचं निर्देश आम्ही दिलेत. त्याचबरोबर ही केस फास्ट ट्रॅकवर घ्यायच्या सूचना दिल्यात. परंतु हे जे कालचं जे आंदोलन होतं हे पॉलिटिकल मोटिवेटेड होतं असं माझं म्हणणं आहे.
कल ही मुझे रात को फोन पे बताया कि बदलापुर की घटना गंभीर है, लोगों की मांग है और उन्होंने तुरंत फैसला किया और मुझे फोन पे कह दिया. ऑफिशियली मुझे तो अभी तक नोटिफिकेशन गवर्नमेंट का मिला नहीं है, लेकिन जब होम मिनिस्टर साहब और सीएम साहब कहते हैं तो मैं जरूर बहुत जिम्मेदारी से ये ट्रायल जल्द से जल्द चलाऊंगा.
The accused in the case, Akshay Shinde, a janitor, is in jail. The principal of the school and 2 staff members are suspended for not taking timely action.
The special investigation team formed by the state government headed by IG Aarti Singh started investigation in the case. IG Aarti Singh visited the Badlapur police station on Wednesday morning and her team started collecting documents. They also spoke to the complainants and other associated persons in the case. With camera person Swaraj, this is Devesh Singh in Badlapur for India Today.